Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Just wanted to do a quick startup of our 2016 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This one's unlimited with 4 doors. Now, the Rubicon basically is a more capable version, or the most capable version of the Wrangler lineup, by having a better equipped suspension and differential. Now, sometimes when you get into the internal options, they could have additionals. This one's got a gorgeous leather interior, heated seats, and of course, Jeeps often have their own personalities. They're like Legos for adults, which you can customize, change bumpers, fenders, every single thing you can essentially see on the body can be changed to what you like it to be. It's in really good condition in my opinion. Gorgeous leather interior, no mechanical issues. Let's see if we can get you a little bit of better footage, hopefully. Our stabilizer cooperates properly today. All right. 84,000 miles on this. And 2 of the other features that are unique to Rubicon: sway bar disconnect and the axle lock feature, which basically increases the off-road capability. Very particular scenarios where you would use those. All right, folks, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have more questions about this, do not hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Oh, sorry, this video is better now. All right, folks, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in person. Bye-bye.